So welcome everyone in today's video. Before I start the video, I want to inform you that I have updated my do not buy software or digital programs list. In case you want to know more or check that list, link is available in the description. Coming to Scrabble review. So do I recommend to Scrabble anyone? The answer is I guess no. Why? Because there are a couple of reasons behind it, not a one reason. So here I am logged into my account. As you can see, this is your Scrabble dashboard. If you purchase it, you will see something like this. The first reason of not recommending is it is a slow website. Okay, if I go to templates, and by the way, today my internet connection is good enough. So this is the speed test that I've taken. I will also do another speed test, but let me, so you are seeing that it isn't a super fast website, maybe average or slow. Let me click on that choose button. Let's say, so these are the templates. You have to pick one of the templates, then you can create your ebooks, you can write your content inside these templates. Okay, I will click on the zoos. I have to create a project. By the way, it is still loading. Okay, this thing has not completed. I will click on finish. While we are finishing, I will here go. So my maybe it isn't a super fast internet connection, but still it is a decent speed. And here our editor is loading, still loading. I have also some other reasons if you ignore the fact that it is a slow website. So finally we are in the editor. As you can see, I think the most important reason for not recommending Scrabble to anyone is you will not get a lot of editing features. So if I click on any this plus button to add new elements, so these are the things. As you can see, I'm in the all. These are the things that you can add. It is definitely, I think, missing CTA, call to action, and some other important things. And one more thing, let's say that you inserted a paragraph. The default formatting of a paragraph is it is in a black color. Okay, of course you can change it this color to whatever color you like, but black color isn't a suitable. There are templates, and there is no universal settings, so you can change the color of the whole text available on inside your ebooks. You can't do it. You have to do it for every element separately. You can't change, there is no universal setting for changing the font family. You have to do it for every element separately. Is the limitation of the Scrabble. Comparing it with Microsoft Word, you will get a lot of editing features. Let me also show you that what are editing features you are getting for the paragraph. So you have margin top, not other side margin are included, but that's okay. And some other things, font, Google font family, it use Google font API. Okay, so these are the things only that you can edit. It's maybe it's more than basic, but it isn't a advanced editor. Okay, and one more thing, you can't undo or redo. Let's say that you delete something, because I do a lot while writing. Let's say that you delete something, we delete this thing. Okay, you can't press Ctrl Z to undo or Ctrl Y to redo. That is the another limitation of Scrabble. The third limitation is the real cost is hidden. So you know that front end version will cost you $67. A lot of upsells after that. If you use coupon code FVSecret007, it will cost you $19. The first upsell is Scrabble Professional, where you will get additional 150 templates. I think it is important because front end version include only 50 templates. It will cost you, Scrabble Professional will cost you $97. After that, the another upsell is Prime, which isn't necessary. It is where you will keep getting new templates every month for 1 year. Okay, just ignore that upsell. The third upsell is Fantasia 3D. Fantasia 3D is making for these 3D covers or digital flip books. If you view from a promotional angle, you will find out that those things are important. You need this cover design for maybe, I don't know, for for cover design, for your promotional, if you're doing lead magnet or however you want to make your money, this is important, and it will cost you additional $77. So the real cost is with important things is $193. There is one more upsell auto job, but ignore that, because though this that is not important for making your ebooks. I'm not saying that it is a scam, but if Scrabble can improve these two things, it is a slow website. There is no a lot of editing features. Then maybe I can recommend Scrabble to other people. But so far, I don't think so that it is a good software to recommend anyone. In case you have any question or query, let me know by the comment section. By the way, I just pressed the back button and still it is loading.